volumes. Okay, so our topic we have surface areas and volumes of the solid shapes in this chapter. Okay, so we know about that too. Okay, that is area of the solid shapes, solid figures, and volumes of the solid figures based on the formula of the solid figures. Okay, so both we know. Okay, so that is we know about areas and volumes of the solid figures. Now let us move on to a new topic in this, that is conversion of solid shapes from one shape to another shape. Okay, so if we are having iron rod in the shape of cylinder. Okay, so we have a iron rod in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, so that iron rod can be made into the another shape, that is in the cuboidal shape. Okay, so for any other purpose, any other uses of industrial or any other household articles. Okay, so for that reason we have to change the shape of a cylindrical shape into cuboidal shape. Okay, if we are changing a shape also, there is no changes in the shapes between the volume and areas in between that two shapes. Okay, we are having a cylindrical shape of iron rod. Okay, so this is a cylindrical shape of iron rod. Okay, this iron rod can be changes its shape into cuboidal shape. Okay, we have to make like this. Okay, in a cuboidal shape. So the area of this cylinder and area of cuboid both are equal. Okay, and the volume of cylinder and volume of cuboid are both are equal. Okay, but we don't know the height of cylinder and height of cuboid. So both are differs. Okay, so here it is given. Volume of cylinder is given also in the question. Okay, and here we want to find out the height of the cuboid. Okay, so we have length and breadth also. Okay, so they gave length and breadth. We want to find out height means we have to compare these two volumes and we have to find out the height of the cuboid. Okay, or otherwise it is given the volume of cuboid here. Okay, so the volume of cuboid is given. Okay, here we want to find out the radius of cylinder. Okay, what is the radius of cylinder? Find out. So here they gave height of the cylinder and we want to find out radius of the cylinder. Any one measure is given to the shape, what we want to find out the radius. Okay, or here we want to find out height means it is given length and breadth. So from that we have to compare the volumes of these two figures and we have to find out the height of the cuboid. Okay, understood children? So one shape, the conversion of one shape into another shape. Okay, so there we want to find out the measurements by using the comparison. Okay, comparison of the volumes or areas, anything. Okay, so we have to find out areas also or we have to find out volumes also. We have to compare these two shapes. Okay, so to find out the measurements. Okay, so let us move on to the problems. Okay, so you know what is the conversion of solid shape, solid figures, that is from one shape to another shape. Okay, so how to find out? This is also based on the formulas only. Okay, we have to use the formulas for the solid shapes. Okay, so here it is given example 8, which is given in your textbook, page number 138. Page number 138. Okay, example 8. What is example 8? Let us see now. Okay, so that is a cone of height 24 centimeter. A cone of height 24 centimeter and radius of base 6 centimeter. And radius of base 6 centimeter is made up of modeling clay. Okay, is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. So, okay, I told now that is like this only. That is a cone of height 24 centimeter. See, a cone is given, a cone of height 24 centimeter. Okay, this can be changed into Okay, radius of base 6 centimeter. So radius of cone is 6 centimeter. Okay, and then it is made up of modeling clay. So a child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Okay, so we know the radius of cone. Okay, and we know the height of the cone also. Okay, so we have to find out the radius of sphere. So this is a spherical in shape. So we have to find out the radius of the sphere. Okay, so here both the volumes are equal. Okay, so volume of cone equals to volume of sphere. Okay, what we made here, volume of cone equals to volume of sphere. Okay, so both are equal means we have to find out from this. We have to find out the radius of sphere. So what is the formula to find out volume of your cone? What is the formula to find out volume of your cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here we know r and we know h. Okay, we know both the measurements. Okay, so it is given. And then what is the formula to find out volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here we have to comparative. By comparatively we have to find out the radius of sphere. Okay, so here we have to find out radius of sphere. Okay, so first we have to find volume of sphere. Volume of sphere equals to volume of cone. Is it right? Volume of sphere equals to volume of cone. So what is the formula to find volume of sphere? 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. Okay, so we have to find out r cube. Okay, so that is equals to, what is volume of cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so see clearly we have r, we know that is 6 centimeter, h we know 24 centimeter. Okay, so pi gets cancelled. Okay, pi gets cancelled. So r cube equals to, here we have r cube. This 4 by 3 is transposing into that side. First we have to substitute the values. Okay, so 4 by 3 into r cube equals to 1 by 3 into r square. What is r square here? 6 square. 6 into 6 into h is 24. Okay, so now we have to transpose in 4 by 3 from LHS to RHS. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so r cube equals to, so this 4 by 3 can be transposed into RHS. So 3 by 4 into, it is already there, 2 into 6 into 24. Now see, 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. Okay, so now see, r cube equals to 3 into 2 into 6 into 6. Okay, so here 3 2s are 6. We have to write 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, this can be written it as r cube equals to 6 cube. Okay, so from this we can say r, radius of sphere equals to 6 centimeter. Can you understand, children, how to find out this? So we have to compare the volumes of two figures. Okay, so we are reshaping this cone model into spherical model. Okay, so the volume of cone equals to volume of sphere. So here the cone, here we know the measurement or radius of cone and height of cone, and we have to find out the radius of sphere. Okay, so this is the method we have to find out. Okay, children. Okay, and let us see one more problem here. Example 10. Okay, example 10. So a copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Okay, find the thickness of the wire. So here a copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. See here also the shape is changes, but there is no changes in the shape. It expands. Okay, it expands. We have to beat a rod into a wire. Okay, so we we have to find out that. So let us see. See here, once again let us read the question. A copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter. Okay, a copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter. A copper rod of diameter is 1 centimeter. Diameter is 1 centimeter. Okay, and then length is 8 centimeter. Length 8 centimeter. Okay, so drawn into a wire of length 18 meter. Okay, it can be changes this into 18 meter. So it is a thin wire. So the height is 18 meter. So 8 centimeter rod can be changes into 18 meter. Okay, so find the thickness of the wire. So uniform thickness means we have to find out the thickness of the wire. Okay, thickness means breadth. So length we know and we have to find out the breadth. So from this we come to know what is the shape of this. It is a shape of a cuboid. Okay, it is a shape of a cuboid. So here volume of the rod. Okay, is it a cuboid? Is it a cuboid? No. Is it a cuboid? No. Okay, so this is in the form of cylindrical shape. So rods always made in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, so here this is a form of cylindrical shape. Okay, so the volume of rod equals to pi r square h. What is the formula to find out volume of rod? Pi r square h. Volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. So here also pi r square h. Okay, so the h we know. So here that is this meter can be changes into centimeter. Meter can be changes into centimeter. Meter is changes into centimeter. We have changes into multiplied by 100 into 100. Why? Because of volume. Okay. So we have to find out here volume now. So 1800 centimeter here. Okay. So that is volume of rod equals to, that is pi r square h equals to pi r square. Okay, so we have to find out that. So here volume of rod. Okay, so volume of wire first. Volume of wire equals to volume of rod. Okay, volume of wire equals to volume of rod. Okay, so here we have both the formulas are equal. Okay, so that is pi r square h equals to pi r square h. So here pi r1 square h. We have to find out r1 here. Okay, so here pi r1 square h equals to pi r square h. So pi into r1 square h is here we have to change this into meter into centimeter. That is 1800 centimeter. 1800 centimeter. So that is equals into 1800. This is equals to pi into r square. What is r here? 1/2. Okay, 1/2 into diameter. Okay, so this is diameter. D equals to 1 centimeter. So r equals to 1/2 centimeter. 1/2 into 1/2 into h. What is height of the cylindrical rod? Okay, that is 8. So here now we have, so 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So now you have 2 pi. Okay, so now here 1800 pi r1 square. Okay, so now see we have to cancel this pi on both the sides. We have to cancel pi on both the sides. Okay, so pi gets cancelled. Now r1 square equals to 2 by 1800. That is equals to 1 by 900. Okay, so this 1 by 900 can be changed into r1 square. That is 30 square. So r1 square equals to 1 by 30 square. So that is we have r1 square equals to 1 by 30 centimeter. Okay, 1 by 30 centimeter. So the diameter of this. Okay, so diameter of the cross section. Okay, we have to find out the diameter of cross section. Okay, so the diameter cross section. The thickness of the wire is 1 by 15 centimeter. How to find out 1 by 16? 1 by 15. See here, that is 1 by 30 centimeter. See, R, radius R equals to 1 by 30 centimeter. So diameter equals to 2 into R. Okay, what is 2 into R is 1 by 30. So that is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. So diameter D equals to, here diameter D equals to 1 by 15 centimeter. Okay, so understood children. So how to find out the diameter? We have to say this in a meter. Okay, why? Because here we have the measurement in meters, 18 meters. So we have to given here, this is in the meter form. Okay, so in units we have to say this in a meter. So that is, we have to convert this into meters. Okay, so that we have divided by thousands. Okay, so we have in the exact form, or otherwise we can write like this also, it is correct. Okay children. Okay, so now we saw example problems, is it right? Okay, so based on this we have to see exercise 15.3. Let us see some problems here. Okay, so it is given here exercise problem. First one, a metallic sphere of radius. Okay, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast it into the shape of a cylinder. Okay, see, read the question clearly. Okay, and then you move to the problem. You have to solve the problem. Okay, see, a metallic sphere. So it is in the shape of a sphere. Okay, of radius 4.2 centimeter. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. Okay, so metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. We have to recast this into a shape of a cylinder. Okay, in the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Of radius 6 centimeter. It is also given. Okay, and then find the height of the cylinder. Okay, I don't know, we have the measurement, any one measurement of this, and we have to compare the volume of both the shapes, and we have to find out the another measurement what they are asking. Okay, so here we have to find out height. So height of the cylinder we have to find. Okay, so you know children, what is the formula to find the volume of a sphere? Okay, volume of a sphere 4 by 3 by R cube. And what is the formula to find the volume of a cylinder? Pi R square H. Is it right? Pi R square H. Okay, so what we want to find out, that we have to write first. Okay, so here volume of cylinder we have to write first. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equals to volume of sphere. Okay, why? Because we have to recast the shape. Okay, so we have to say that is both the volumes are equal. Okay, volume of sphere. Okay, so volume of cylinder equals to volume of sphere. So what is the formula to find volume of cylinder? Pi R square H. That is equals to, what is the formula to find volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi R cube. Okay, see, here we have to cancel the common things. Okay, so pi gets cancelled, and we have to cancel the R also, but we have to substitute here and we have to find out. Okay, so R also we have to cancel this, that is also correct, but it is not the alphabet. R is not the alphabet. Okay, so the radius in cylinder. Okay, some students they have to think we have to cancel R also now. So it is totally wrong. Why? Because the radius, R means radius. So radius of cylinder is 6 centimeter. Radius of cylinder is 6 centimeter. The value it applies to R. Okay, understood? Radius of cylinder R is 6 centimeter. Here radius of sphere R is having 4.2 centimeter. So that is not equal. We can't cancel the R here. Okay, we have to substitute the R value. See here R. So R value in cylinder 6. So 6 into 6 into h. That is equals to 4 by 3 r cube. Here r is 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. Okay, understood children? Okay. So now let us cancel this. 6 ones are 6. 6. Sorry, 3 ones are 3. Sorry children, 3 ones are 3. So here 3 ones are 3. Balance 1, 12. So 1.34 are 12. So 1.4 here. Okay. So now we are transposing the 6 into 6 to this side. So it is in the form of multiplication. It comes in the division form. Okay. So 4 into 1.4 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 6 into 6. See, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Excuse me. So here we can cancel this again. 3 1s are 3, 3, 1.4s are 4.2. Okay, see again 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so here again 3 1s are 3, 3 1.4s are 4.2. Now we have h equals to 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4. Okay, so now we have h equals to 2.744. Okay, 2.744. So you have to multiply this and you have to say the answer. Okay, so 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4, you have 2.744 centimeter. This we have to round it off. That is 3 point something. Okay, 2.7. We have to round it off to 2.7 centimeter. Or approximately we have to say it is a 3 centimeter. Approximately, or others we can say it is a h equals to 2.7 centimeter. 2.7 centimeter. We have to compare these two shapes. Okay, understood children? Okay, let us see one more problem in this. That is, you have it. You think it is a very difficult. Okay, so see third question in exercise 15.3. Okay, third question. Let us see. A 20-meter deep well. Okay, with diameter 7 centimeter. See, a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Okay, find the height of the platform. Okay, so a well is in the deep, that is 20 meter deep well. Okay, so diameter is 7 meter. Okay, so here it is a cylindrical well. So well is in the shape of cylinder. Well is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, so is dug and earth forming from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform. Okay, so platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So 22 meter by 14 meter means that is length and breadth. We have to find the height of the platform. So it is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay, it is in the shape of a cuboid. We have length and breadth, and we have to find out the height of the cuboid. Okay, so see 20 meter deep well. Okay, 20 meter deep well. So that is, it is in the shape of a cylindrical shape. It is in the shape of a cylinder. So deep means height. Height is a 20 meter deep well. Okay, and diameter. What is the diameter of this? 7 meter. Okay, so the diameter is 7 meter. So this can be digging out into form a platform. Platform is in the shape of a cuboid. Platform is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay, we have to take like this. Okay, so not exact platform we can't draw. Okay, we have to take a cuboidal shape, any cuboidal shape. Okay, so this can be taken. that is 22 meter into 14 meter. So 22 meter we can take it as length. 22 meter we can take it as length, and breadth is 14 meter, and we have to find out height. Okay, so height we have to find out. Height we have to find out. Okay, and for this we have to compare the volume of these two shapes. Volume of these two shapes. So volume of cylinder equals to volume of cuboid. Okay, so first we have to compare volume of platform. Volume of cylindrical, so volume of cuboidal platform. So formula volume of cuboidal platform is L into B into H. Length into breadth into height. Volume of cuboidal platform, length into breadth into height. And volume of the earth dugout, that is volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Okay. So volume of cylinder equals to, what is the volume of cylinder formula? Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Okay. What is the volume of cylinder formula? Pi r square h. We have to compare these two. Okay. So volume of cuboidal platform. Okay, volume of cuboidal platform. Volume of cuboidal platform equals to volume of earth. Volume of earth dugout. So dugout means that is in the form of cylinder, cylindrical shape. Okay, so that is in the form of cylindrical shape. Okay, so volume of a dugout. Okay, that is well is digging out to form a platform. Okay, so what is the formula? L into B into H. That is equals to volume of a dugout is formula pi r square H. Okay, so here L into B, that is L is 22 into B is 14 into, we want to find out H, no? So pi value 22 by 7 into R value 7 by 2. See here, this is D. Okay, diameter of the well. Okay, we have to take R equals to 7 by 2 meter. So we have to write R square 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. Okay, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. So here we have to cancel. 7 gets cancelled. 2 11s are 22. 2 1s are 2. 2 10s are 20. Okay, so now we have to find out H. So this 22 into 14 can be transposed into RHS side. Okay, so here 11 into 7 into 10 by, here we have 22 into 14. Okay, so H equals to, so 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 10. Okay, so here also 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So we have height equals to, so upwards 5 in the numerator 5 and denominator we have 2. So H equals to 7 by 2 meter. Okay, it is given in the meter form now, so we have to write H equals to 5 by 2 meter. So that is equals to 2.5 meter. H equals to 2.5 meter. So the height of the platform is 2.5 meter. Okay, so understood children. So we have to compare the two solid shapes of volume of two solid shape, and we have to find out the measurement what they are asking in the question. Okay, understood children. Okay, so based on this you have exercise problems and example problems also it is there. So try it in yourself in your afternoon books. Okay, so cross check your answers. I am sending the notes to your WhatsApp. Cross check your answers and write down neatly in your classroom and practice the problems every day. Okay, so you have to read any other subjects in twice in a week or thrice in a week. Okay, that's not a problem. So mathematics you have to practice each and every day. Then only you come to know the concepts. Okay, so it's easy to attend the examinations also. Okay, so try it yourself. Practice every day, children. Okay.